Hey guys, it's Alpha Omega. We're back on the seas in World Warships Legends on the Xbox One. We got our Tier 6 King George. Now, we've already done some stuff in the Colorado, but I gotta tell you, the King George, far superior for what I like to do. Now, that might be up to personal taste, but I think it's a lot better. As you can see, yep, that range is atrocious. The trait from the commander actually only makes it lose like a kilometer. So like, you can get all those benefits and then get back that kilometer with the ship upgrade. Now I know that the British and the artillery, they say that they have better AP damage and all this and that, but what that doesn't tell you is that they can't penetrate crap. So I wouldn't even do AP ever in Elizabeth or the King George. Teamwork is how you make the dream work, baby. I'm actually playing with two of my buddies. See SPC, Trunk Monkey, and Golden Con. I've been playing games with them for a while. You'll see them around if you're hanging around watching my videos. Go into another game now. We're in the Acosta. I actually really dug this destroyer. I never really used the 2x2 for my torpedoes until I got this thing. And I did it once on, I think it was in New York. And just demolished it. Just every shot. I was like, okay, that's how we're doing it from now on. Yeah, we're gonna go back and talk about how that thing just shook off that torpedo. Not sure. I have them all on. I can't think about how much health they have. They probably are a little tankier for a destroyer, but that's just ridiculous. He's circling around, we eventually get him. And then we're kind of looking at where we're at. We're like, oh, we're kind of just in the middle of the map with a bunch of bad guys right on the other side of this island. Oh boy. I played pretty conservative. I see they still have two destroyers up there. So I'm not about to go diving into smoke. I think this is actually our last or second to last game in the Acosta. We got the Icarus. Gonna be doing a video on that. I haven't really worked in destroyers so much yet. I've been kind of focused on grinding out some battleships, but the Icarus is pretty dope. It's a pretty dope ship so far. I think I got 2 upgrades on it, but I think it's pretty mean. We don't do much jumping up, but Trunk gets a nice broadside drop on that Wyoming. Yeah, if you like what we're doing so far, we're gonna get pretty crazy. We're just figuring out all the software and different editing tools and all that stuff, but I think we're gonna be doing some pretty cool stuff here. I'm really just gonna be doing this, maybe one other game, some videos before Madden comes out. Then once I got some big plans for Madden, trust me on that. And we're in the Colorado to wrap up this video. They must have heard me talking crap about it, because this is a pretty, against 2 battleships, this is a pretty good. I think it was Khan, I'm pretty sure it was Khan who was behind me. So he was taking some fight for me for probably about half or more, really. So last game, with King George with the HE strategy, it went pretty well. So in the Colorado, I was hitting a couple targets like 12 kilometers, and like with AP, and I was like, nothing, bounce, bounce, bounce. And I was like, screw this, we're going back to HE. I don't even know what this Vanguard's trying to do. Like, you're slowly trying to die? I don't know why you're driving away like that, but you do you.